lahat sila denied to death. So, di ko alam kung sino pang tatawagin. Ang balita, may mga alalay daw galing sa Congress. Paano nila makukuha yung mga police blotter, yung mga CCTV footage, yung mga highly confidential medical records, and even bank accounts that are clearly covered by bank secrecy. Natangay nila lahat yun, nakuha nila lahat yun. So clearly, they had help from high officials, and they were cleared for all kinds of information. Isa pa, yung eroplano. Walang nagsasabi, walang sumisipot para magsabi sino ba talaga at ano ba yung eroplanong yan. Ginagamit ng presidente natin, ni Pangulo Bongbong, yung eroplano, di ba? Ginagamit niya talaga yan. So, yun pa rin ang problema natin, yung eroplano. Nakita natin, ang sabi nung una, the Office of the President chartered the plane and paid for it. So many were asking, so is it owned by the Office of the President? Clearly not. It's a privately owned vehicle, and it's not even authorized to accept charters. And many were asking also, paano na-procure yan? Alam naman natin yung procurement system ng gobyerno, tagal-tagal. Ilang oras lang na publicized, bid, tender, award, at na-procure kagad.